우리나라의 인권 실상과 관련하여 적대 세력이 관심을 가지는 것은
The hostile forces are only interested in hearing from such scum of mankind as the so-called defectors from the north, who fled, abandoning their parents, wives and children after committing crimes at home. It is obvious. One illegally departs from the motherland. The person is turned into an adversary to the motherland. Moreover, for escaped criminals, there is no other way to keep their lives other than denying and slandering everything of their motherland to meet the tastes of the forces hostile towards it. The act of cooking up the report of the Commission of Inquiry based on lies of a few such criminals is itself a mistake, which is completely against the aspirations of the UN for civilization and the rule of law.
Last year's report by a panel of UN experts detailed abuses including mass starvation and forced abortions. The panel interviewed hundreds of defectors. It recommended that the DPRK's human rights situation be referred to the International Criminal Court. Pyongyang has sought to use recent backtracking by prominent defector Shin Dong-hyuk on details of his life in the North's prison system to discredit the entire UN report. Yong's address was fiercely criticized by South Korea's delegate, Second Vice Foreign Minister Cho Tae-yul.
While listening to the statement of the Foreign Minister of the DPRK earlier this afternoon, as a fellow diplomat and descendant of the same blood, I couldn't contain an overwhelming sense of sorrowful pity. The minister knows better than anyone else about the horrific human rights situation in the DPRK and the grave concern verging on despair of the international community over the situation. Yet, he exploited a refugee's confession about changes in his account in an attempt to conceal the whole truth, a pitiful effort born out of desperation indeed.